Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. I want to show you a fantastic technique to wipe out neck pain. If you're having tightening of the muscles, contracted, shortened muscles, giving you that stiff neck, that limitation of mobility, this technique will definitely help you. Now what makes this technique different is that I named it the tornado technique because it whirls around like this. That's the way we're going to approach the muscles. Many of the muscles in the back of the neck area run up and down. We're going to focus on those muscles, stripping it across so we can release that contracture and spasm. So let's show you how simple this technique is. We'll always start out cross-fibering the muscles right below the skull in the suboccipital region. We want to release these muscles back here, and what we'll do, we'll just take a knife edge like this and we'll just go across from the center to the outside. I'm going to work my left side of my neck, okay, from the center to the left side about 3 to 4 times. If it was your right side of your neck, you would use the right hand and you would do it this way, okay, right across. The reason why we want to release those suboccipital muscles below the skull, we want to open up that gap between the base of the occiput and the atlas. Once we free it up, then we'll have a lot more mobility to work with. The second part of this technique is that we're going to stretch the neck in 3 different planes. We're going to rotate it, but we're going to do it statically. The first thing we'll do is we'll take our right hand because I'm working on my left side of the neck. Remember, if it's your right side of your neck, you're going to do everything opposite. You'd use your left hand. So left neck, right hand, chin forward, pulling to the right. Forward and to the right. You'll feel nice burning there, and hold it about 15 seconds. Take the chin, bring it 45 degrees, pull the same direction. You'll feel a stretch in a different area, even higher up. Beautiful stretch. Pulling forward to the right, 15 seconds. In the last part of this stretch, you'll take the chin, turn it far as you can to the left, and you'll pull forward to the right. You'll feel a little different stretch in a little different area. Beautiful. Now the third part of this technique is what's going to bring it all together, because we're actively going to rotate the head as we're stretching it actively. In other words, we're not going to do piece by piece, we're going to do it all together as we target the upper trap muscles, the occipital muscles, the scalenus muscles, the SCM muscles. You're going to feel what I'm talking about. This will be similar to what we did, but we're going to actively be moving our head during the entire stretch. Okay, problem on my left side. We're going to leave our chin forward, pull to the right. Now as I pull to the right, forward to the right, watch what I do. I'm going to pull to the right and turn all the way as I pull to the right. Go back. Pull to the right and turn your chin all the way to the left shoulder as you pull to the right. You'll feel a multitude of muscles stretching, just like this. And you can do that for a good 30 seconds. And you'll feel all those muscles. As you turn, you'll work higher and higher. Pull to the right and just turn your chin to the left side as I'm working my left side. So if I was going to work my right side, I would use my opposite hand, my left hand, as I would pull to the left, and I would actively turn my head, turning my chin to the right shoulder like this. And you'll feel a great stretch in there. So let's recap what we just did so you can knock this pain out real quick. First thing we do, we're going to cross fiber underneath the occipital region 3 to 4 times, pushing in hard and coming across from the center of the midline to the outside. The second thing we'll do is that if I'm working my left neck, we're going to leave the chin forward. We're going to push all the way to the right, and then 45 degrees to the right, and then 90 degrees to the right. And the third part, when we actively do it all together, we'll pull to the right because I'm working my left side, and as I'm pulling to the right, I'll just keep turning my chin as far as I can go and go back, keep pulling to the right, and turn it as far as I can go. So use this technique as often as necessary. This can really be a lifesaver. I promise you, you will see good results. Share this on your social media, leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.